বেশি করতে চাই ভেন্টির কাম বুঝছ
After that, my com. Okay. Just a moment. Let me. One more. Okay, one by one.
Flooded.
Backlighting itu mari. Manual aja, iya baru, ayo coba baru, bisa, besar apa ini? Kalau tuh kan di shop itu orang pengen terjaga di situ.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Mohammad Anwar Islam Shikdar, Chairman of SREDA, respected guests, representatives from JISA, and ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all. Myself, Engineer Ruhana Rayan Swami, welcome you all on this orientation and networking workshop organized by SREDA and JICA. To gain sustainable development, ensuring energy efficiency in every sector is a prime mover in context of Bangladesh. Today's orientation and networking workshop on energy efficiency and solutions to barriers. Financial hurdle is a major barrier for manufacturing energy efficient equipment or installing new technologies. As here, JICA, SREDA, business people, and other financial institutions are present, we hope the outcome of this workshop will be very much successful. Financial institutions like ITCO, BIFFL will find out proper financial structure by the discussion with business people so that industry people can get concessional loan for ensuring energy efficiency in their industries. Government of Bangladesh as well as SREDA is going to implement the energy efficiency master plan up to 2030, and this workshop is opening the floor of discussion about energy efficiency in the industries as they are the main consumer of energy. Now, for opening remarks, I would like to call Honorable Chairman of SREDA, Mr. Mohammad Anwar Islam Shikhar.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's workshop is on energy efficiency and conservation promotion in industries and supported by JICA. So in this workshop, let me start fast because I have another program, very important program in the Dhaka University, so I have to leave earlier. That's why I am breaking the rule. I think you will not mind. Anyhow, private organizations, financial institutions, particularly ITCOL and BIFFL, and representatives from JICA, good morning and Assalamu alaikum. It's a great pleasure for me convening this orientation and business networking meeting for SREDA's energy efficiency and conservation promotion financing supported by JICA. The presence of entrepreneurs here with the desire to improve energy efficiency, the business people, those who are eager to adopt energy efficiency technologies in this country have gathered today. I should say that's a very resourceful gathering here. There are also financial institutions which are expected to support the energy efficiency and business means by SREDA's project facilities. The project is backed by our country's 7th 5-year plan, that is from 2016 to 2020, in which a desperate need for promoting energy efficiency is stipulated. Since then, SREDA has been working to pursue its mission together with many of the national and international collaborators. There are so many collaborators or DPs working in this area, especially with SREDA, but particularly I will refer JICA, who from inception of SREDA is working together, and they have a great achievement, and we should thank JICA for their effort. Ladies and gentlemen, money alone will not make Bangladesh efficient. What is equally important is the awareness of the people. Awareness raising is one of the main functions of SREDA, and the project is not only about financing, but it includes the support for awareness raising and capacity development of the stakeholders, including SREDA. We expect that there will be an official inauguration of this great project once we conclude the loan agreement between two governments, particularly with SREDA and JICA. However, with the aim to kick-start the project, we decided to hold this preliminary inauguration meeting today, where it aims to identify the potential areas of its attractive financial means. And here, Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Mr. Mohammad Anwar Islam Shikar, for your valuable speech. Now, I would like to call Ms. Masako Yoshihara, representative of JICA, Bangladesh office, to say a few words to us.
Honorable Chairman of SREDA and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, good morning, namaskar. It is indeed a great pleasure for us to attend this workshop. In the beginning, let me briefly introduce our support for the power and energy sector in Bangladesh. Our portfolio has been quite comprehensive. As for policy level, we are now developing the Power and Energy Master Plan 2015 with the government of Bangladesh. The long project ranging from power generation, which is represented by Matabari Ultra Supercritical coal-fired power project, to a countrywide transmission grid, rural, urban, and distribution networks, and off-grid renewable energy. But supply-side enhancement is not enough. Not enough at all. For sustainable growth in Bangladesh, we need demand-side management. This is why we have supported SREDA to establish the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Master Plan. And this time, to realize this master plan, we have prepared this Energy Efficiency and Conservation Promotion Financing Project. Bangladesh companies or consumers can easily access the energy efficient products with the low interest loan or the low interest financial support. I would like to stress that industrial development and energy efficiency supported by strong finance constitute twin engines for the sustainable development of Bangladesh. I hope this workshop will provide a springboard for strong relationship between Bangladesh and Japan and other countries by making full use of energy efficiency technology. Thank you very much.
At this moment, I would like to invite Mr. Sitik Zubair, Member, Energy Efficiency and Conservation SREDA, to present a PowerPoint presentation on outline of the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Master Plan.
Thank you and very good morning. Thank you, Zaga, for assist us to develop this Energy Efficiency and Conservation Master Plan, which is in the process of final approval from the government. In the process of that, we are convening this workshop to get the feedback from you. And if you have any suggestion or any question, we will try to answer those questions, and we will take the feedback, suggestion, comments, and we will try to incorporate that before finalization of the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Master Plan. So I just give here an overview of the Energy Efficiency and Conservation Master Plan, that why we need to develop this Energy Efficiency and Conservation Master Plan, and what is the objective of this master plan, and ultimately what benefit it will carry for the country as well as for the industries, those who are really the prime mover of our economy. So my presentation has mainly 4 parts. First of all, I will give some background that what we need these energy efficiency and conservation measures. Second is the forecast for energy consumption up to 2030. And the third one is what are the measures that we have planned, we have programmed to that if we review that our energy consumption growth is almost 8%, and electricity growth is 12%. And the major primary energy supply source is the natural gas, which is our indigenous product as yet. If we go to the next slide, you see that if this will continue, and if we really want to be the developed country by 2041, then our energy consumption will increase at least 4 times than what we are consuming now. And if we rely and depend on our primary and major energy primary supply system, that means the natural gas, that the gap between the supply and the demand will be that we need 3 times more than the gas that we are producing. And most alarming thing is, please go to the previous slide. And most alarming situation is that by the year 2018 and 19, the supply of gas against its demand will start to deplete. And in this situation, if we can incorporate the energy efficiency and conservation measures that what we planned in the master plan, then you see that here, this is the green, the line shows that the business as usual case, and the red line is with the energy efficiency and conservation measures. So if we can implement the energy efficiency and conservation measures, then we can reduce the uses of the primary energy. And our plan is that by 2030 it reduce at least 20%. Next. Now if you see that what are the major areas where we uses these primary energies and also the secondary energies. The major area is the industry. Almost over 12 million ton of oil equivalent energy that we use in the industry sector, which is around 50%. And the next is the residential sector. These are the 2 areas we try to focus at the initial stage, and subsequently the commercial and the transport, because growth of commercial sector, that means the building sector, is now almost the 4 times. It will be by 2030 will be the 4 times the energy they consume in the commercial sector, that means the building sector, if we will go through this business as usual case. So first priority is the industry, second priority is the residential sector, that means the electrical appliances, and the third is the building, and then the transport. Next. So if we see what is the forecasted energy consumption system, next slide please. You see here, the industry sector only will consume by 2030 in against of 2015 consumption, almost more than double. If we move to the next slide, you see as well as the air conditioning, that means the cooling, and the fan, they are the major consumer of the secondary energy, that means the electricity. So if we can bring some kind of energy efficient devices for these sectors, then we can achieve a lot. Next. Implement these energy efficiency and conservation master plan, then we can reduce the peak load demand of electricity at least 25% by 2030. Under this program, I am not going to elaborate this program because in that case it will take much time. But this is a snapshot of the energy management and auditing program, that the center of the energy efficiency measures in the industry is the energy manager. Energy manager is the person who will be in the industry, will take the primary measures to ensure the energy efficiency for that particular industry. But to do that, he needs to go through a process. And that process is that the top management must have to be involved with these energy efficiency measures. If top management will not be involved with these energy efficiency measures, if top management will not understand the benefit of the energy efficiency and conservation measures, then it will be very difficult for the employees of that particular industry to implement that and carry forward the benefit of that energy efficiency and conservation measures. So there will be a loop between the top management, SREDA, and the energy manager. And energy manager will keep account of the energy that uses in that particular industry, and he try to find out what are the options that can take for that particular industry to improve the energy efficiency in different sections of either in the process or in other, either in the process or in the management or in the technology itself. Next. To implement that particular activities by the energy manager, we need to conduct the energy auditing of that particular industry. Only energy manager might not be capable enough to conduct energy audit in the industries, particularly if it is a big, large industry. So in the energy efficiency and conservation master plan, we categorize the industries in two parts. One is the SMEs, small and medium industries, and another one is the large energy consuming industries, we call the designated industry. So there is a threshold level who will consume over that threshold level of energy, they will come under the program of energy, designated energy consumption. A cooling system, air conditioner is moderately efficient, then there will be 2.5 star or 3 star, which is in the left side. And if it is very efficient, then might be the 5 star level. So while the consumer will go to the market, they will understand that which one is efficient, which one is less efficient. Next. So the framework of the energy efficiency and leveling program will be like this, that under this there will be like CFL, air conditioner, refrigerator, TV, fan, ballast, motor, that will first time come under the energy leveling program, and subsequently other electric gadgets will come under this program. And we will define the role of the parties, that who will, in the process of implementation of this energy leveling program, who will determine the level, energy consumption level, on the basis of which we will say that this is the 5 star, 4 star or 3 star. Then the program procedure, how we will conduct this program. Then the measurement method, that how it will be measured. Say one product has 5 star, but for whether really this product is performing the 5 star energy efficiency level or not, how it will be tested, who will be, by whom it will be tested, and what are the measures that need to be taken if it is not in line. So these everything we will formulate under this program. Next. Then the buildings. That building is gradually, I already said that the energy consumption in the building side by 2030 will be 4 times than the energy that we consume now. So this is also a very prospective sector. So under this program, we are planning to develop a green building rating system. You might know that the BNBC, Bangladesh National Building Code, has already incorporated a new chapter called Energy Efficiency and Conservation Measures chapter, that is already incorporated, which will be mandatory for all. But apart from that, if anybody wants to do more than that. If anybody volunteer to develop a building more efficiently, then that building will come under the green building rating system, and he will be awarded by the government. He will get some incentive also. We are trying to bring some incentive mechanism for those who will volunteer to develop green building, and that will come under this framework. Next. Now, so if anybody go for energy efficiency, want to take the energy efficiency measures, if you go to buy the energy efficient technologies, then he might need to spend more money. So we want to facilitate initially with concessionary loan to get access to that efficient products so that we can smoothly implement the energy efficiency and conservation master plan. These are three, and the low interest loan procedure we are going to start from our energy efficiency conservation financing program with the assistance of JICA, as well as we are also working to bring the incentive mechanism for those who will implement this, who will be